Hey guys, welcome to this Samsung guide, and here I'll detail how to turn on or enable always on display on Samsung. So if you're using the Samsung and you want to enable always on display on your Samsung phone to have a screen display just like this, once the Samsung phone screen goes deep like this, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on always on display on Samsung, all you just need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings. On the settings page, you want to scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to lock screen and HOD. HOD stands for always on display. So go ahead and tap that. Then you should see always on display. If this is disabled, go ahead and enable that by clicking on that toggle button. Then once enabled, you can customize your always on display. To do this, just click on always on display again. Then here you go. If you want to show music information on your always on display screen, turn on show music information. Otherwise, disable this. If you want to always show your always on display, click on when to show. You should see always. Tap to show as scheduled. Then for new notifications. So in this case, I'm going to go with always to show my always on display always. Then hit the power button again, and then you're good to go. When next your Samsung phone screen is locked just like this, then after a couple of seconds, you should see the always on display comes up just like this. So that is basically how to enable or turn on always on display in Samsung. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.